Excessive feline vocalization is one of the most common behavior issues that bothers majority of the cat parents. But a very crucial thing to understand here is that this condition is generally a symptom to an underlying disease rather than an issue in itself. Vocalization is a very natural phenomenon by which cats interact and communicate among themselves and with us humans. Cats vocalize for so many reasons. For example, when they want to greet someone or when they want to express their joy, anxiety, or any kind of pain that they are going through. Kittens generally meow to let their mother know that they are feeling cold, scared, or hungry. But once they grow up, cats don't meow to each other. They use meowing only to communicate with us humans. It is a learned behavior that cats use to seek our attention and get things done their way. That being said, cats do yowl to communicate with each other, especially to attract the opposite gender during the breeding season. The degree of vocalization also varies from breed to breed, and certain breeds are comparatively more vocal than their counterparts. For example, Siamese cats are believed to be one of the most talkative cats. If vocalization is so natural to cats, then how can one differentiate between what is normal and what is excessive? Frankly speaking, there is no hard and fast rule to label what is excessive vocalization. The only yardstick that you have at your disposal is to compare the current situation with the normal vocalization behavior of your cat. If you observe a sudden increase in the frequency or volume, or if you observe a consistent or a different type of vocalization in your cat, it could indicate that something is wrong that has led to this behavior in your baby. As a pet parent, it is very crucial for you to first understand the most common reasons for this behavior in a cat. Then only you will be in a state to take the necessary steps to cure the underlying cause responsible for this behavior. The first cause can be the onset of breeding season. If your cat is more than 6 months old and is not spayed or neutered, her sudden loud and consistent vocalization might indicate that she is searching for a potential mate. Though by the looks of it, it may appear that she is going through a tough time, but actually, it is their natural instinct to attract the opposite gender. In such a situation, you may also observe that she is being more affectionate to you than her regular self. Many a times, underlying medical conditions are a reason for excessive vocalization in a cat. For example, in many cases, a cat who is suffering from vision or hearing impairment shows excessive vocalization. As she finds it difficult to move around the house, she becomes extra vocal to express her frustration and helplessness. Sometimes, cats become more vocal as they grow old, because with growing age, they suffer from cognitive decline or cognitive dysfunction. A cat suffering from this condition acts confused, disoriented, scared, and even meows or yowls consistently. Cognitive decline in cats is similar to memory loss in humans. Other symptoms of this condition include disturbed sleep cycle, where she sleeps during the day and remains active and awake during the night. Altered interactions with familiar people, disorientation, and urinary incontinence. Hyperthyroidism is another medical reason that can lead to this condition in a cat. A cat suffering from this disease has an increased metabolic rate, which leads to weight loss even when she is eating well. Restlessness, confusion, and anxiety are some of the major symptoms observed in this disease and are caused due to an overactive nervous system. This restlessness and anxiety leads to excessive vocalization in a cat. Physical injury can also be one of the possible reasons for this behavior in your cat. Cats are very good at hiding pain, and that is why it is very difficult for you as a pet parent to know about a disease or an injury in your cat in its initial phase. But when the condition worsens and the cat is unable to bear the pain, she vocalizes to divert your attention to her injury. Therefore, in case of persistent and consistent meowing by your cat, always try to look for signs of physical injury that may have led to this behavior. Sometimes cats vocalize due to separation anxiety, situational distress, or conflict. If your cat is very close to you, she may start meowing persistently if you spend too much time out of your home or even during the night when you are asleep. As discussed earlier, sometimes excessive vocalization may be to seek the attention of a human family. It may happen that she is feeling hungry and wants food, or she is feeling thirsty and there is no water in her bowl. In some cases, when excessive meowing is rewarded with cuddling, petting, she may be extra vocal to seek your attention and affection. Now, as you know the reasons behind excessive vocalization in a cat, let us look at the ways to prevent or cure this behavior in your cat. But before taking any action to curb this behavior in your cat, it is always necessary to observe the circumstances and make a note of the patterns or situations when she becomes extra vocal. Once you observe a pattern, you can use these methods to control her excessive vocalization. If you have a female cat who is not neutered or spayed, excessive vocalization can be observed when she is in heat. The best way to reduce vocalization in such a case is to get your cat spayed or neutered. And if you have a male cat who is intact, he may vocalize excessively if he hears or smells a female cat who is in heat. It is recommended to prevent any such situation where he can detect any female in heat, and if it is difficult for you to do so, it is suggested to have him neutered to deal with excessive vocalization. If you have a cat who is above 10 years old and she has abruptly started excessive vocalization, make it a point to visit your vet to rule out any medical issue like cognitive decline, hyperthyroidism, which may be causing this behavior in your baby. If your cat meows during the night, make sure that you provide her adequate play and exercise to keep her awake during the day and especially during the evenings so that she can settle peacefully during the night. You can use cat scratchers, interactive toys for this purpose. If there are other cats in the neighborhood that visit your home frequently during the night, your cat may vocalize as a play behavior. In such a scenario, providing some white noise, that is, playing some nice peaceful music in the background, might help your cause. If you spend too much of your time outside your home, try hiring a pet sitter to tackle your cat's boredom and separation anxiety. If the vocalization is for seeking attention, train her to believe that she will only get your attention once she is quiet. While she is vocalizing, don't pay any attention to her, even resist your urge to shout on her. Be patient and wait for the moment when she becomes silent. Once she becomes silent, reward this behavior with the attention she was seeking. If she starts to vocalize again, walk away from her and only pay her attention when she is quiet again. This will take some time, but she will understand your cue and will perform the desired behavior. Never ever use any physical punishment, as it may further worsen her condition and instead may make her fearful of you.